this is day 4 of our Western Caribbean adventure. We are in Jamaica. You can see it behind me. I hope you can see something. And the bad weather is continuing following us. Right now you see there's a little bit of sunshine, but just 2 minutes ago it was very cloudy and rainy. As you can see how wet it is here. So guys, so a little bit tell you what we're doing today. So yesterday we were at Haiti, and if you want to watch the video, the previous video, to see what the ship we are on and also what we were doing at Haiti, Labari, you can watch the previous video. Well, actually we had really bad weather and we had excursion. We were supposed to do some safari snorkeling, and unfortunately had to cancel it because the waves were very strong on the sea, which we thought like, you know, it's wet anyway, it's very rainy, and how wet we can get. So, but probably we were scared that the waves were a bit high, so they had to cancel it. But we had really good fun at the beach anyway. So we were very wet. So what's happening today? You see, it does look like it's very nice, but the weather is like it's very rainy, then it's a little bit of sunshine, a little bit of wind, and it's rainy again. So early in the morning we were supposed to have excursion. We were supposed to do adventure zip, so through the forest and into the waterfall. So it was supposed to be really nice, wonderful, adventurous day, even though it was rainy very early in the morning when we come out. It was still raining. They didn't cancel it, so we were on our bus. But unfortunately, there is something is going on the ship. As lots of people get sick. I don't know what it is, but my husband also got a bit of the sickness. So we were on the bus on our way to adventurous place, and we had to stop the bus and come out from it because my husband got really started to feel really bad. So we went back to the ship, and right now I'm on my own walking around it. So he's having a rest because it's like about 100 people already sick on the boat. I really hope that everybody will be okay. So maybe it's just I don't know, maybe just a little bit of like infection, you know, sometimes you get when you have eat food with like maybe dirty hands, and you get diarrhea and vomiting. So I hope everybody will be fine. But yes, quite a lot of people got sick. But so we go to the medical center. They saying go to ask for medical help, and it's like we are number 90, and we had more and more people coming in, and we were like really surprised. So they said about 2 hours, come back. So my husband is like having a sleep right now. So I will get to see how he feels, and then we will go and see if I can see the doctor. So hopefully he will be alright, because these things happens when you're going into places like that, you know, it's like tropical, and well, I don't know why. Well, you can kind of get it. I mean, you know, we're Russians, we're very paranoid about these things, so we always wash hands. It's like 20 times a day, before food, like after food, toilet after toilet. So, but I don't know, we were like trying to be like really careful, but maybe my husband wasn't that careful, I guess. So he got it because we were eating exactly the same food, except he was eating more fruits than me, except I was eating a lot of strawberries, and he liked watermelon and melon and pineapple. So I don't know, maybe he got it from there, because everything else is exactly the same we had. So, and I guess I was a little bit more protected, because I'm saying washing my hands more often than him. So hopefully he will be better too. But today, you see, we had to cancel our trip and enjoy Jamaica just from the top of the ship. So well, I did have a little bit of walk around the town. We have a port, they have some shops in there. I'll show you a little bit in this video, just a little bit later. You'll see a bit of the area. So I collected some free gifts. They have really nice, beautiful topazes, and also Caribbean sapphires is a freebies, you know, just free. And also I got for myself one little present too I bought. So I'll show you in another video, so you can see what freebies they offering to you for just visiting the shops. That was really cool. They have lots of jewelry, beautiful jewelry, diamonds. I'm not really that much a diamond person, to be honest, but I'll tell you later what I got and why I got it. So in the other video, not in this one. So that's like what we're gonna do. I don't know. Like I'm saying, if everything is gonna be alright with my husband later, we might go and see the show, except it's going to be just 2 comedians today, and I'm not really into that much. Yesterday we had we went on a show. It was a dancing show with I think it's a Royal Caribbean crew, and it was also two dancers as Ukrainian winners of one of the competitions, so quite enjoyed that. And we were actually thinking to go to the nightclub yesterday, but because we were planning to have this adventurous trip today, we didn't go, so we had a little bit of rest and planned to do it today. But you see, because what happened to my husband, I don't think we will be doing any dancing tonight. So well, oh well, what can I say? So that's probably what is going to be the day for, just enjoying a little bit more of the ship and getting well, of course. But I'm walking right now a little bit here, so you can see that's the views which you can see from the ship, and you can see how cloudy it gets, like really fast, and in 2 minutes it's probably going to be rainy again. So, but well, you know, these things happen, so maybe next time we'll come again and we'll get a little bit better weather. So we're not alone here who are so unlucky. We have another big ship, Liberty of the Seas, over there too, which is also Royal Caribbean, and you can see them over there. That's a beautiful big ship too here there. So, and that's the port. You can see it right from here. See, but it's so beautiful out there. Really was looking forward to going to those jungles and enjoy jumping from tree to tree, just like a monkey. But well, it is what it is. Okay, so guys, I hope you really enjoy a little bit of the views around here, where you can see. Look at the sky out there again. Look at that sky. So dark. Look at that. It's going to be rainy again. Rainy in a minute. I'm sure it will be. Okay, so if you really like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and as I'm saying, if you want to see what the ship looks like, watch the previous videos and what we were doing in Haiti. So, and also the last day on the ship, so which will going to be next video. So I see you later. Bye everyone. Bye.